Welcome to Lucasmas! Some of you might be wondering, why do we have two titles to two different series by the name of Mus? Like the word Christmas or
Vlogmas?
Vlogmas. So today we are reinstalling what is the original engine from this car with a different crankshaft, a different set of bearings, a different water pump, a different oil pump, a different header, a different exhaust system, a different intake, and a different valve cover. But the block, the pistons, the rods, and the cylinder head all remain the same. Now the reason for that is because about 5 years ago when I thought I knew everything, and I still do, I know everything. I thought I didn't have to do a compression test or a leak down test or any of the important stuff that nobody really watching these videos is gonna even care about anyway. Quickly, hurry up.
Why?
Come on, we're going on an adventure. We're gonna teach Javon how to go up a hill. I already know how to go up it. Go up it. Come on, Javon, I got the car. I have to. There it is. Look at you. I'm so proud. Can you bring the Initial D soundtrack inside? Ripping 20 mil off so that I can fold it. Placing the oil cylinder feed. It's been ripped off once or twice and now I need a... That you only know. My love, and you already know that it was stopping. Those damn jump slow and
Wait.
These are the people that put your cars together.
I'm the greatest mechanic on the face of nowhere. So we're using an NB clutch assembly from the 1.8. So we're gonna use its associated 1.8 liter starter. It's gonna sound a whole lot nicer.
Listen, there's somebody out there back against the wall, contemplating ending it all, pistol in hand. Cause what do you do when you gave all you can? But in return, you left empty-handed, lost in this world and basically stranded. And you planned it differently, not in this symphony. Saddest of songs, prolonging epiphanies. Who can you trust? Person you love is in lust. Even the newness accumulate dust. It's never enough, you say. Lost. Learn from mistakes and arise anew. So my advice to you is this.
Pick yourself up. Take a deep breath. Dust yourself off. Start all over.
Wait. I know you like how you gon' tell me it's gonna get better when you ain't got yourself together, emotionally drained. Said in your songs you changed, but hurts to remain. Refrain from letting the healing commence. Who are you trying to convince? Wait, let me explain what you don't understand. How you embrace the pain. It made me